Hi, I'm Cole Crazy Logic, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can add any arithmetic series possible. Before we start, I'd like to mention that I have a playlist in the description, and I'll also include a link right up here for more information on arithmetic series. But for now, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, welcome back. Let's get into the formula of adding any arithmetic series. So some things you want to know before is this is just a general arithmetic series where a sub 1 is just the first term and a sub n is the last term. So the formula for the arithmetic series is you want to add the first term, which is a sub 1, with the last term, which is a sub n, all over 2 times n. Let's deep dive into this formula. So a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2 is just the average of this arithmetic series. And with that average, if you multiply it by the number of terms, you get the sum of the arithmetic series. And it makes sense if you think about it logically. So just a reminder, this formula can be used to add any arithmetic series possible, all with a common difference of whatever you want. So now, let's go ahead and get right into some examples using this formula. Wait a second. Okay, let's get into how to solve these problems. So in this first example, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus 100. And the trick for this is covered in my video right up here, or in the description box below. But we can use this new trick that we learned to solve this as well. So the first term is 1, the last term is 100, as we do the first term plus the last term, all divided by 2. And then we have a 100 terms here. So now we have 101 divided by 2 times 100, which we can simplify to become 101 times 50, which covered in my 1001s trick is just 50-50, as the 1001s trick is the same as the 101s trick. So now let's look at the second example. So in this example, we have 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus ... plus 103. And they give us the number of terms here, which is 24. And I'll cover a video about how to find the number of terms in an arithmetic series later. But for now, let's get on with the example. So what we want to do is we want to do the first term plus the last term, all divided by 2, which in this case it would be 114 over 2, because 11 plus 103 is 114, times 24. And we can simplify this to become 114 times 12. And I covered a video on how to multiply by 12 really quickly, and I'll link that in the description and right up here. So this is just $13.68, and that's all for that problem. So now let's do the third example. Okay, so in this last example, we have 46 plus 36 plus 26 plus ... plus negative 84 plus negative 94. This example is a challenge as it contains negative numbers, but I believe we can do it. So first what we want to do is we want to add the first and the last terms like always, and that's just 46 minus 94. Then we divide by 2 and multiply by the number of terms, which is just 15. So in this case, 46 minus 94 is just negative 48, and negative 48 divided by 2 is negative 24. And we multiply this by 15. And then using the trick that I'll cover in one of my videos, this will just be equal to 360, with a negative, of course. And that's all for these examples. And actually, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends, and show them how you can save hours of calculation just using this simple formula for arithmetic series. Thank you for 25 subscribers. I'm planning something special for you guys, so check back next Monday on Math Comp Mondays for more information on that. But until then, stay crazy.